Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel page number. Page numbers are absolutely essential for organizing your printed spreadsheets, making them much easier to navigate and reference quickly. You will find all the necessary settings conveniently located within the Page Layout tab, specifically in the Page Setup group. Excel provides several flexible options for numbering your pages, ensuring your documents are always well-structured and professional for any presentation. To insert page numbers, first go to the Page Layout tab on your Excel ribbon. Then, locate the Page Setup group and click the small arrow in its bottom right corner to open the Page Setup dialog box. From there, select the Header/Footer tab. You can then choose from predefined headers or footers, or customize them to include page numbers exactly where you want them. Customizing your page numbers allows for greater flexibility. Within the Page Setup dialog box, you can easily change the starting page number to suit your document's needs. You can also add custom text, like page 1 of 10, directly into your headers or footers. Furthermore, Excel lets you choose various number formats, including standard Arabic numerals or even Roman numerals for a polished look. For more advanced control, you can apply page numbers to individual sheets or your entire workbook. Excel also allows you to set a different header or footer for the first page, which is useful for title pages or cover sheets. If you encounter any issues, always check your print preview settings. This ensures your page numbers appear exactly as intended, providing a professional finish to your documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.